Hey, shalom, shalom. This is Yael Bat Yisrael, owner of Flatbush Doulas and founder of House of Shifra and Pua. Just coming on real quick after Shabbat, praying that everyone had a good rest today because I have some more unboxing to do. I have some more goodies that I received in the mail and via delivery. And tonight I want to highlight two entrepreneurs, also Black-owned businesses, as I have done in my last unboxing. And so this is my package that I received. It's a little bit beat up, and it's from Brother Bashara Wilson. He is the owner of New York Sports Acupuncture, based in Brooklyn. And I got in contact with him because he was advertising on Instagram some of his products that he's putting together especially for people in response to COVID and to help build immunity. So I ordered something that I wanted to know about for my daughter, who has some breathing challenges at times. So I'm looking here on how he sent it to me. This is real Chinese herbal. Anybody who goes to Chinatown, first of all, the smell right now, I could smell it. It's probably Dong Quai. But I did make sure that I told him, I said, I don't want anything animal-based. I don't want any mushrooms. And I forget what else I said. Basically, no bones, no blood, in keeping with the dietary laws. So he has written here, okay, what this is. It says it's a lung builder. Huang Qi Xingren Bai He Shan Yao Qian Lu Gong Kao Nu Ming Duang Sha Shen Bru Shi Shir Di Huang Wu Wei Zi and Tu Fu Ling. All right, well, let's see what it looks like. Okay. All right, so you see this is a pretty gigantic bag here. And I'm gonna bring it closer so you can see. That's like some giant pieces of barks you see in here. This also looks to be a root, a rhizome. I smell Dong Quai. That's what I smell, which is excellent for women, for reproductive concerns. But yeah, this is the real deal, y'all. I would suggest those of you who are forward thinking in reference to your immunity, because that's what he wrote here. Lung builder on this one and immune builder on this one. I got two different orders. This is the other one. Oh, you can see this one has some flowers, some dried flowers. See that? So even though I am more of what I would call myself a traditional healer, in the sense of being passed on this information from my own family and from my community, of herbs that I can use to heal myself that are African and Caribbean in origin. I do like to support healers who have different disciplines, and acupuncture is actually a discipline that I really know works well with my body. It's something that, on a personal note, I received acupuncture during the third trimester with my second child, and it greatly helped in reducing the length of labor. I'll just put it to you this way. At my first child, my labor was 30 hours, and my second child, the labor was less than 4. And I received acupuncture all throughout the third trimester, as well as during the actual birth. So I definitely believe in acupuncture, and the Chinese herbal system is something that's been around for thousands of years. And so I'm looking forward to trying these herbs out. So that is our first business that I want to highlight today. Go check out my brother, Bashara Wilson, from New York Sports. Let me make sure I say it right. New York Sports Acupuncture, okay? All right, fantastic. So this is my second package. All right, this one was a delivery, so you know I get the nice purple bag here. All right, so this first candle that comes out, do you see that? Khai candles. Like, how fly is this packaging? It says wrapped in culture. That's fly, y'all. It's very fly. Okay, this scent right here is Black Sea. And Sister Danya, she's so sweet because I did not know, what does it smell like? It smells so good. It smells like you're at the beach and somebody has on some really nice cologne, kind of ambery. It smells so divine. It is wonderful. And then check out this. Ow! You know this is nice. This is totally lovely. Okay, so open this up. Okay, and so once again, Khai candles, but you see now this is a different wrap, and it says life scents wrapped in culture. And this is the coconut lime scent. This reminds me of, like, I want to eat this. This reminds me of like a really nice lime icy, and then that smell of like coconut oil or those coconut the beach, you know, the, what do you call that? The stuff we put on to make ourselves get brown on the beach. Anyway, it smells very tropical. It's lovely. And this one here, like I said, they're all in this lovely packaging. This one, different wrap around it, okay? And it is the lemon pound cake. Okay, so this is how it looks inside. Beautiful. Very well crafted. See, now Sister Danya, you play too much, because this is something that makes me feel like when I burn this, I'm gonna want to eat like a lot of cake. Or it makes me feel like I'm gonna just put this on and pretend that I'm baking. You'd be like, Yael, what did you make today? Oh, I made some lemon pound cake, but it's all gone. You just should have came earlier. Those are the people laughing who I told to go away while I am on video, and yet for some reason don't come around to this camera. This is the last one. This one is sandalwood. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. That is what your home is supposed to smell like when you are wrapped in culture, right? This is some real good smelling stuff. All right, and here's her card. Khai Candles, Danya Levy Naftali, owner. Okay, wonderful. And look at this. See, that's when you fly, when you have your own book of matches to go with your candle. So which one should I light? Let me see. I don't know. I really feel like it's a sandalwood type of night. Let's see. Let's check it out. And normally I would trim the wick before I light it. But the way this is here, this wick is not even all long. And it looks pretty good. It looks like it is a cotton wick, because you don't really want like those wicks that have the wire in it. And this wax here is soy wax, so it's not paraffin, so that means it should burn pretty clean. As you saw when I lit it, you don't see any smoke or anything coming out of it, and it should be pretty decent for you know, people who have any breathing challenges. As I mentioned, you know, I do have someone in my home who has some breathing challenges, but I'm not in the least bit concerned that it should bother her. But of course, you know, use wisdom. You know the people in your home, you know how you're supporting them in terms of whether or not certain products would be good for them. Starting to get a little bit of this smell. All right, so thank you for joining me. Drop a comment below. Sister Danya, Brother Bishara, you know, shout out to y'all for your craftsmanship. Thank you so much. I love to support Black businesses. I love to support family businesses, and I like people who do things that, although I could do it myself, they have made a business out of it, and they are very professional in how they present their product and how the product is crafted. So I'm always happy to spend money with my brothers and sisters. All right, So praying that all of you are well, that you're keeping yourself in good spirits during this stay-at-home season. And these are the kind of things that you do for yourself when you're home. Boost your immunity, build your lungs, and get you some nice candles to set the mood. All right? Love you. Peace.